It's off a gang of little ones, and they're working this feeder right here. See them? Come on, go ahead and get you a bite. Come on, get you a draw. Ain't nobody gonna bother you. Go on. That's it. Get you a little draw. Go on. Nobody's gonna hurt you. Get you some of that. That's good, ain't it? Here comes another then. Round two here. Come on, that's good. Get you another big draw of that. That's a hen there. There's a rooster. That's a rooster right there. See the color on his neck? And you listen to the wings beat, tell the difference in them.
You can see their tongues too.
How would you like to have an airplane go like? Ever get before they build an airplane like that war's over at?
Yeah.
Damn thing ain't fast. Oh, they was cutting shine this morning now. They will. I'll get on in here out of your way and you watch them just